guys, it's Emily and Amber, and today we're just here to give you some recommendations.
Also, if you have any inquiries about any of the words used within our recommendations, you can check out the key terms up here. So, one of the problems that has been discovered is that currently all metadata information of key business clients are stored using paper-based files and there are no records of any explicit information. A recommendation that can be made to eliminate this problem from occurring in the future is to store all key business clients' information through EDRMs. That way all files are kept confidential and safe.
And also, another problem that has been discovered is that all tacit information relating to the functioning and operations of the business is only known by Ben Roberts, who is a store manager. This is a major problem and is extremely inadequate for the business, and especially for the staff who are rostered for the day. Recommendations that can be made to eliminate this problem is to have a meeting to go through all of the know-hows of the business, and also when Ben is required to assist the employees in a tacit knowledge to also show them the ropes.
So the mandatory principles of accountability has been previously defined and further justified. However, the company allows all staff to access any files at any time. This is a major problem as the companies will not be able to be accountable or liable for when policies are breached because they will not know who accessed the files since it is open to anyone in the company. To eliminate this problem, a procedure of having only a selected group of people to access the files should be mandatory. That way the company knows who is liable and accountable when the time comes.
Also, all 7 points of sale systems are open and locked with a key, and each staff member has their own key. With technology continuing to update, it is vital that a system of employee numbers are used to access the registers. That way any employee can use any one of the 7 sales systems because the employee numbers are recognized, which will make it easier to put a purchase through the system instead of going to a specific sales system just because they don't have the keys to our other 6.
Web content management is critical in a business, especially with most customers using the internet nowadays. To find out information about the company, therefore, it is extremely vital that the business has a specific person who is in charge of their website, whether it is the design, description, or layout, etc. A recommendation that can be made is to set a standard for the website so that it is not just a satisfactory standard for the customers.
A recommendation that can be made to the filing cabinet in the storeroom, which goes back nearly 30 years, would be to administer a new filing system in which files are destroyed after a certain amount of time since obtaining them.
So there you go. That's our recommendations to improve the overall running of Panlorda Jewellery.
Yay!